this video, we're gonna show you some of the accessories that you can purchase with your HappyJapan embroidery machines. In this case, we have some clamping systems. We have different ones. We have the short ones, we have the window-based ones, and we have the longer ones. These are the most popular ones because they're very versatile. They're adjustable, so you can adjust them to any width. In this case, you can do up to, it's 10 inches, we'll say 9.5 inches, so you can do something pretty wide. What are the uses? So we're going to show you here. For example, if you want to do backpacks or hard to hoop items, like a jacket bag or like the back of a cap, or there's people that do upholstery or things like that. You do it like that, and I did it one-handed too, so there you go. That's how it would attach to the machine. It would move it. We do have a cap, and we're going to show you how to adjust the width. Very simple. We'll go here, and if we want to do the back of a cap, we'll do it this way. Keep in mind that I'm doing this. If it's attached to the machine, this attachment won't move, so it'll be much easier for you guys to hoop them. But that's it. That's all the hooping that it requires. Like I said, you can adjust it, and you can. It has many uses. There's people that do really thick material that you cannot put a hoop here. So in those cases, if you need an attachment, this would be the one to get. You do the back of a cap, the side of a cap. You can do sleeves, jackets, things like that.